Are you a newly graduated pharmacist or physician with aspirations of becoming a medical science liaison or joining the pharmaceutical industry in a medical role? Do you find the lack of experience a barrier between you and your dream job? You're not alone. The journey into the pharmaceutical industry is competitive and challenging, especially for those fresh out of college. But what if you could gain an edge, a way to stand out and show you're ready to hit the ground running? Introducing Field Medical Mastery, a comprehensive online course designed specifically for you. This isn't just another course, it's your gateway to a thriving career in the pharmaceutical industry. Crafted with your needs in mind, Field Medical Mastery bridges the gap between academia and the real-world demands of medical roles in the pharmaceutical sector. With content curated by industry experts, you'll gain insider knowledge and practical skills that are crucial for your success. But that's not all. This course is double certified, providing you with not one, but 2 certifications that will make your resume shine. These aren't just certificates, they're your ticket to standing out in a pile of applicants. Imagine walking into an interview with the confidence that you're equipped with the knowledge, skills, and understanding that international pharmaceutical organizations are looking for. Field Medical Mastery ensures that you're the candidate they've been searching for. With Field Medical Mastery, you'll delve into topics that matter, from drug development and regulatory landscapes to effective communication strategies and ethical considerations. Every module is designed to ensure that once you complete the course, you'll be more than ready to take on the challenges and opportunities of the pharmaceutical world. Don't let inexperience hold you back. Join a community of like-minded professionals and embark on a journey of learning and empowerment. Field Medical Mastery isn't just a course, it's your stepping stone to a fulfilling and impactful career. Enroll today and take the first step towards transforming your potential into your reality. Your future in the pharmaceutical industry starts now. Field Medical Mastery, where your journey to pharmaceutical excellence begins.